All right, so based on my technical analysis and how exhausted gold is, there is a higher probability that it goes from around 4,000 down to 3,300. And here's the reason why. So as you guys know, we have to analyze from the high to low. So we're going to analyze the weekly, daily, 4 hour, 2 hour, and 1 hour time frame. The highest is always the strongest, and the lowest is always the weakest. On the weekly time frame, we can see here that we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks of struggling going down or going up. So we are basically inside in a consolidation. The weekly time frame, it came down, it rejected, came up, and it happened like literally 3 times. So the fourth times right here, the candle wick has been filled, okay? And then it went back up, and then it did reject it again, and then it came back down. So the sixth candle, the 6 week, now it is struggling to push way back up again because initially it went up, but now it's coming back down. I believe, based on my analysis, that there's a higher probability that it's going to push further down and it will not hold around on the 4,000 support level. As you guys can see on the daily time frame, here we have the resistance level and you guys see the gray bar, and this is the resistance level of the daily and the 4 hour time frame. And as you guys can see here, it went up, it rejected, it went up, rejected, went up, rejected, went up, it holds, but then it did reject it. And it happened over here and here and over here as well. But it came back down support level, but it did break through. And especially this one is one of the classical liquidity grab, and it was definitely a fake out. So right over here, the gray bar, it is the daily and 4 hour support level. And as you guys can see right over here, we see the candle, it closed, it rejected, went up. And it happened the same thing with this area as well. It closed, rejected, came back up. It closed, rejected, and came back up. So this one is one of the other liquidity grab, another fake out. So sometimes just because the candle has closed under the resistance level, we really don't know 100% whether it has been rejected. That's why we are calling the break, retest, and then sell or buy. So right over here, it's the same thing. Rejected, went up, rejected, went up. No, right now on the daily time frame, you guys can see like a beautiful traffic, a consolidation zone, because it's literally hovering around and gold has no idea where it really wants to go. And as you guys can see right here on the 4 hour time frame, so you see here the orange bar, which is the 4 hour, 2 hour, and 1 hour time frame. And this is another beautiful resistance level. So if the daily, the 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes are all aligned, it is considered as a very strong resistance level. And it is the same thing with the support level right down below over here as well. So we have rejection, back up, rejection, back up, rejection, back up. Same happened to here, same happened to here, like last Friday. And over here, 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 and here, and here as well. And for the resistance level, it's the same thing. So basically, it is literally bouncing back and forth. It is just like this. We bounce, we bounce, we bounce, we bounce, fake out, we bounce, fake out, bounce, 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 bounce. And if you guys want to see more clearly on the candles, and you guys can see, you can trace it basically. You're gonna go from top to bottom, right? Boom, 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 boom. Right over here, 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 here. And it is literally consolidating up and down in the same area. And once we pull it over, and here we have it, right? So this one is not looking good, but for those traders who understand how to trade, it's a good way how to make money. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think that gold is going to the upside or is it going to the downside? So I really hope, and based on my technical analysis, that it can go down if we have a break, it holds, a retest, and then sell. So that would be a greatest opportunity for all traders and investors to invest gold around 3,300 or somewhere around here if we see a shift of structure, which means it is a reversal pattern. And please comment down below what you guys think. And as always, you execute, you gain, you succeed. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.